guys, how y'all doing? This is we got right here, I'll put the lid right up here out of the way, full of meat. Y'all can see that pretty decent. It's frozen about 2 maybe 3 hours worth. But what I want to show is the machine that I bought, STX Turboforce 3000 series. It's an electric meat grinder. I've already used it. I'll show y'all. I've got clean buckets here. I've got that sitting down here, and we're going to put it right here. I'm going to show you how good this machine works. You just feed the meat and it takes it out. It's got different attachments on it, easy cleanup. It's got reverse. You've got different speeds. I washed my hands good, guys. Everything's good. Make sure my bucket's about right. It'll be loud for just a minute. So you bear with me on the sound. Let me show y'all what's going on. Alright guys, I mixed 70% deer meat. I've cut all the white off. The deer meat, I've got 30% pork shoulder. We'll do the video here. I'm going to finish grinding this meat. I'll run one more second for y'all, and then I'll finish it off video. Then I'm going to show you the tape machine and how we're going to bag this using this same machine. For just $100 and a few dollars, you can do it yourself. The butcher wants, what's he want? $150, $175 here in Virginia, somewheres like that. All right, guys, y'all listen for the noise one more second here. We'll show you one more time, and then we'll come back after that. Break this off just for a second here. Let y'all see what this looks like. Now that fat, that white, this is the first grind. We're going to do the second grind in a second. We're going to have 2 5-gallon buckets full. All right, guys, I will see y'all in just a few more minutes. I'm going to run this on through. Then on the second grind, when we're bagging it, I'll come right back to y'all. All right, guys. This is on the second run. See how it mixed the fat together with it? It's beautiful. Let's see if I can pick it up a little bit so y'all can see better. This is hamburger. We're going to put it in the refrigerator. We're going to let it cool down. We're going to set the machine up for the stuffing for the bags. Got the tape machine ready. This is the tape machine we'll be using. Just a few dollars. I'll have a link below for that. I'll have a link for the Turboforce meat grinder. And I've got scales. We've got camo bags. And when you buy the meat machine, I think you get 50 of these bags here with it. We're going to stuff this and see how that works. I don't know. Those are 1 pound or 2 pound bags. It's got a mark. It's 1 pound or 2 pound. You take it to right there for 1 pound, all the way to here for 2. Mark on it the date and what you got, and that's it. All right, guys. We'll see y'all in a few. Hey guys, we're going to take it to the mark, and I'll show you here real quick why that is. All right, y'all going to listen to a little bit of sound again. My rags over there. Hang on. Lay this right here. Put this up here so y'all can see what I'm doing. This is the tape machine. I don't know if y'all can see it. We're going to twist. I'm going to be a little bit over. Like this. Twist it like that. Here y'all can see my tape machine. You run it right through here. And bam, it cuts it off. And there you go. Like I said, that's a little more than a pound I went over. But that's how it's done. I'll have links for the tape machine, the grinder, if y'all want it. For the price, it's a great deal. All right, guys, hopefully that helped y'all out a little bit. Any questions, leave it in the comments below, and we'll get back with you as soon as possible. Hope y'all have some good holidays. This is David with the Rocky Ridge Outdoors. We'll see y'all the next round.